All right, I think we're filming. Cool, good deal. Want to do another video today on this, specifically this 16 JKU Unlimited Wrangler. Wanted to do this video because it's in one of my favorite colors. It's green. The color is called Tank, though. We don't get very many tank color Wranglers in inventory. Sorry, it's kind of a jumble my words there. But anyways, yeah, it's in great condition, great shape. It's one owner, local Jeep. The gentleman that sold it to us lives right here in North Texas. So this is the JKU, meaning it's unlimited 4-door. It is a Sport S, so it has quite a few features on there as opposed to the standard Sport. Power windows, power locks, leather wrapped steering wheel, all that good stuff. It does have aftermarket side rails here, although I don't remember the brand, but they're actually really good quality. I like them. And then it does have Rubicon wheels on it as opposed to the standard Sport wheels. Let's see, yeah, 3.6 liter Pentastar, 5-speed automatic transmission. Of course, it's 4-wheel drive, all these are. Hardtop, and she drives great. This car only has 46,000 miles on it. Like I said, one owner, and it drives fantastic. Let's listen to it. Let's check it out. It's really, really clean. It's probably dusty. It's been sitting up here at our lot for a few days. They're doing construction down the road. It is impossible to keep a car clean up here right now. So anyways, I've gotten to where we're detailing these as people purchase them, because they get dusty again in about a day or two after cleaning them. I'll let you hear it. The trim is still in really good condition. It's not faded out yet. There's no paint issues anywhere on this vehicle. There's no hail damage. Completely clean Carfax. Let me just pop this in here. Engine bay is super clean. This guy took really good care of his car. He was in the military, or is in the military. Had maintenance records on it. Really good service. Full synthetic oil change on time, every time. Let's listen to it. Engine sounds good. AC blows ice cold. Heater works great. This car has zero issues. Jeep, excuse me. Zero issues. Doesn't seem like it's ever been off-roaded. Obviously, I can't prove that, but if you look in the engine bay and look at the undercarriage, it's very, very clean. There's really no signs of rock crawling or heavy off-road use. This Jeep is totally bone stock, so pretty sure it's just been driven on the street its whole life. If you come over here, you can see it's got the Sport S on it, which gives you connectivity group. So you can use things like Bluetooth, you know, leather wrapped steering wheel. It also includes a hard top. Interior is extremely clean. There's no rips, stains, anything. Carpet's in good shape. Seats are in really good shape. There's the front. It's probably a little hard to see because it's a black interior. The lighting in here is not so good, but y'all be able to get the basic idea. You check our website there's a ton of pictures of this and good lighting, so you can really see the detail. The spare's been switched out as well, so all the tires match. Everything's good there. It's got this aftermarket Quadratec mats in it, but we have the factory carpet mats as well. It's been a little bit since we made a video. We've been working on getting some new inventory in. Has some really cool XJs we're working on. Those will be up for sale soon, so check our website for more details on those in the coming weeks. And also, be sure to check out this 2016 Tank Green Jeep Wrangler Unlimited JKU. And have a great day. Thanks, y'all.